Hello everyone, I hope that you're all doing well. This is me, Sayyid Shuryatullah. Today we are discussing a very important topic from Indian Economic Survey, that is service sector. We have done many topics with regard to Indian Economic Survey. Those who are watching me for the very first time, they can browse my channel. You will find polity related lectures, you will find Indian Economic Survey, you will find my state Telangana related lectures also. So you skip the Telangana as state services related videos, and all other videos are UPSC related only. Okay. And those who are watching me for the very first time also, I have a Telegram group. Please join that. There you will be getting the free guidance, mentoring, and whatever the material I have, I will put that material. I'll conduct the test. I'll evaluate the answers of the students. Whatever I can do at the best of my availability of the time, I'm doing it. So that will also be helpful to all of you. Right. Let us go ahead. Thank God, this time it did not shrink that well, that much. Okay, that's right. From the beginning. So those who want to be a part of my optional classes, one-to-one optional classes, or either economy or law optional, they can contact me this number. If you wish to be a part of any of these courses, the same thing you have to do, right? So, and if you are like to those who are watching me from Telangana and Andhra, I am offering these two courses, this one and this one. If you wish to be a part of that, you have to do the same thing. You have to call to this number for sure. That's all. So let us go ahead. This is my Telegram channel. Okay, the link, the direct link I will give in the description. Please go click the link. You will join my channel. That's all it is. So free, everything is free here. Enjoy. I don't dump the data just like that. I will give only those things which are very important. So don't worry about dumping anything. Right. Impact of COVID-19 on service sector. Already in our previous videos, we have seen that COVID-19 has in 2020. In 2020, the pandemic has impacted all the sectors, agriculture, industry, and service. Agriculture did not affect that much, but industry and service sector has been impacted a lot. So we have already done with agriculture. We have already done with industry in our previous videos. Please watch them. Today we are going to discuss about the impact of COVID on service sector. Before starting the lecture, you have to understand one terminology here, that is contact intensive services. Contact intensive services. Services that are generally discharged or generally given when you have to contact to a person, when you have to come close to a person. Okay, then only the service will be given. Just like barber is saloon. So he has to come to close to us. We have to touch our faces, our hairs, something like that. Then only the service can be done. Like spa is there. Okay, like theater is there. Everyone should come together. Everyone should come together and watch the movie. So these are all contact. These are all contact. Tourism is there. Travel is there. If you're going in the metro like that. So you are contacting many people. These services are called as contact intensive. Means the persons will be very much close to each other, then only service could be produced. Such a service is called as contact intensive service. I think you got this point. Contact intensive services. Okay, the examples which are given in our economic survey are tourism, aviation, and hospitality. Okay, and what is the situation of these services? They were severely impacted. In the first half of the financial year 2020 to 2021. Financial year starts from which month, my dear students, sirs and madams? April. April, May, June, July, August, September. August, my birthday is there on 19th August. Okay, so this 6 months, the first half of the 2020 to 2021 financial year, service sector contracted by almost 16%. Means last year 2019, suppose this service sector gave 100 crores. In 2020, it is impacted how much? 16%, means only 84 crores. Means service sector performance decrease or not? Yes. When service sector has contributed less than previous, ultimately the GVA here will be more and here will be less, right? Overall here will be less and overall here will be more, because in 2019 no pandemic, so all the sectors worked very well. In 2020 pandemic was there, of course all the sectors will decrease. Okay, will decrease in their performance compared to the previous year, and overall service sector has also decreased in the GVA. That is a very common analysis any student can do. Fine. So now what we have seen till now, we have seen that the examples of contact intensive services, and we have seen that these are severely impacted because of COVID-19. And we have also seen that how much impacted, how much they were impacted. The service sector overall impacted 16%, means it has shown 16% degrowth than the previous year. And within the service sector, which one was heavily impacted? Okay, means sharp contraction. Expansion means growing. Contraction means coming back. Expansion means growing. Contraction means coming back. So sharp contraction has been means very severely impacted sectors are trade, hotel, transport, communication services, etc. Okay, broadcasting also. Why? Because broadcasting is nothing but cinema. Then dancers have to come together. Hero, heroine has to come together. Okay, all that concerts are there. Okay, anything, any functions, any events are there. All of them has impacted or not? Yes. So the broadcasting and Saas Bahu serials were also not. New episodes were not made. My mom was saying at the time that okay, she is watching the old कसौटी जिंदगी की कहानी घर घर की क्योंकि सास भी कभी बहू थी because new episodes were not created during the pandemic. So broadcasting services, okay, broadcasting is nothing but it's not government related. Broadcasting is nothing but if I show you something that is only called as broadcasting, that's all. FM radio and TVs, all that was totally hampered during the pandemic. Okay, and see overall service sector how much it was impacted 16%, but these were impacted 31.5%. That's why they were severely impacted. We have written here. Okay, according to the first advanced estimates, gross value added of service sector is estimated to 8.8%, contracted by 8.8% in 2020 to 2021, and grew by 5.5% in obviously in 2019 to 20 there was no pandemic, so service sector grew by 5.5% than the previous year. In 2020, now 2020 to 2021, pandemic was there. Of course, we have contracted. So the growth actually we did not even make the positive one; it was negative. Negative contracted by 8.8%. I hope you got this point. Okay, just now I have recorded the same lecture, but I have not put the start recording button. That's why I'm rechecking again. Again, I should not do these mistakes again and again. Okay, start recording is there. Okay, okay, that is very difficult again. Okay, fine. Now we let us see the breakage. Means we have seen that service sector contracted by 16%, right? Now we will see that one segment other after another segment, one sector after another sector, how they have impacted. Okay. If you see trade, hotels, transport and communication and broadcasting services, they were contracted, they were impact, their growth was impacted by 21.41%. Financial means giving loans, Margadashi, Tata Capital, Bajaj Capital, all that Sharda chit funds, all that will be there. No, those are called as financial services. Real estate means buying and selling of land, transferring of ownership, etc. Real estate. Okay, nothing but construction and development also will comes here. Professional construction as such will not come. I'm saying talking about developing any complex like that. Professional services means chartered accountant, doctors are there here. Now you can see that share market brokerage, etc. These are all called as what professional services. They were also impacted. They were also impacted. And how much? 3.68%. Public administration, government offices were also closed. The government employees were coming alternate days. People are also not visiting to the government offices, and government already told in various governments already told that if you are having very essential things to be done from us, then only you come. Otherwise, for silly things you don't come. Like Aadhaar updation, I want to go to the government office for updation of my Aadhaar address or Aadhaar number in the pandemic, so you will not be allowed. Then they will kick you. Okay, so public administration, defense and other services are also contracted by 0.8%. The numbers are not important. Just you remember, if they ask you in the UPSC that which one of the following sectors, subsectors of service sector has been contracted. So you should know that all of these has contracted. And the most contracted ones are this one. Trade hotels, 31.5%. This thing you have to remember. Right. Now, service sector contracted 20% in the first quarter of 2020 to 2021. Like April, May, June, service sector was contracted to 20%. degrowth happened, whereas the next quarter 11.4. You might be aware of this fact that April, May, June, from July onwards, slowly unlocking started in our country or not. When unlocking started, service sector started to perform. Okay, slowly theaters are open, slowly barbers are allowed to do that thing, massage centers, spa centers, all that will be has open, gaming zones, all that have been open, gym, etc. So as unlocking period began, the service sector has also improved. Their contraction became reduced. Contraction became reduced, and one of the very important that is one of the indication of what recovery. Service sector is recovering. In that sense, we can say first 3 months 20% decreased growth rate. Next 3 months 11.4. 20 became 11.4. It means contraction means growth decreased to 20%, now decreased to only 11.4%. It means nothing but we are in the pace of recovery. Okay. Now one index is there, but that index is called as Services Purchasing Managers Index. Who will release this? It is released by IHS Market India Services. Market India Services. Okay. What does this index do? This IHS Market, it is an organization, it is a company. What they will do means they will send some questions to various service providers, like theater owners they will send, like gym owners they will send, like saloon owners they will send, like transportation owners. They will send some questions to them, and and they will ask that, sir, do you go for more expansion? How is the demand with your service? Are people are coming in the same way they used to come before to your particular place? Okay, last year, today is what? Today is July 9th. Last year, July 9th, how many people came to your saloon? This year July 9th, how many people came? So is there any difference is there? Is the demand is growing, or it is slowly picking up, it is rapidly picking up? Are you interested to expand your business? Like that, they will ask them many questions. On the basis of that, they will give the score. They will give the score to our service sector of our country. The score will range from 0 to 100. Anything above 50 will be good, means anything above 50 is like service sector will definitely grow, we are on a good track, it means. So 50%, 50 points we have to definitely get on this index. On this index, our index was around 85, 85, which was at an 85 month high. Okay, so 85 month high, not 85, 85 month high. This is not important. Our index in February, March में पैंडेमिक आया, राइट? कब आया पैंडेमिक? मार्च में आया. मार्च 24 में अपन बंद कर दिए सब. मोदी जी बोले बंद कर दो, हम बंद कर दिए. ओके, सो मार्च में आया क्या? पैंडेमिक. तो मार्च से पहले का मंथ क्या था? फरवरी. फरवरी में व्हाट वाज अवर स्कोर? 57.5 था. इट इज मोर देन 50, right? It is more than 50 anyhow. So it was a very good score. But because of pandemic, kitna decrease hua? How much it has decreased? It decreased to what? 0, 5.4 only. It decreased to what? 5.4 only. You got my point. Okay. So itna kharab performance, very bad performance. Okay. Then 5.4 से लेके during pandemic our score decreased to 0.4, and it has slowly increased to what? 52.3 in December 2020 recently. It means in pandemic from March to December it decreased, it again increased. So it means service sector is recovering. Okay, fine. These are just bullet points I have written, which is there in the economic survey. Please go through them. Foreign exchange earnings from tourism also declined. No foreign tourists are also visiting in our country. They are not coming. वो आ रहे नहीं, तो हम उनको चार मीनार, गोलकोंडा दिखा रहे नहीं. Okay, so foreign tourists से जो भी आता था इनकम, वो भी कम हो गया. Domestic passenger traffic drop. Domestic passenger traffic में means इंडिया में ही घूमना. तेलंगाना से आंध्र प्रदेश जाना, तेलंगाना से उत्तराखंड जाना, महाराष्ट्र जाना, राजस्थान जाना. दिस इज कॉल्ड एज डोमेस्टिक पैसेंजर ट्रैफिक. अब अपन तो डर भी गए थे, देखो यूपी बिहार ये जगह तो पूरा दिल्ली खतरनाक कोविड आ गया था यहाँ पे. सो वाई आई विल गो टू दिस प्लेसेस टू गो एंड हवाखोरी में क्यों जाऊँ, मैं मजे करने क्यों जाऊँ? ओके, सो डोमेस्टिक पैसेंजर ट्रैफिक भी डिक्रीज हो गया बिकॉज पीपल टुक सेल्फ मेजरमेंट्स ले लिए, अपन गए ही नहीं. और पोर्ट्स में भी वहाँ पे भी कमी होगी, किल्लत होगी, कार्गो ट्रैफिक भी, और क्या इंडिया से शिप्स आना, शिप्स जाना, लोड जाना, ये भी कम हो गया. ऑल ऑफ दीज हैज डिक्लाइन. Right. Service sector performance in India's GVA. पहली बात 2020 to 2021, the total service sector performance. Service sector contributes 54.3% in overall GVA. How much? 54.3. Very, very important data. Okay. And within this, the highest contributor is what? This one. Financial, real estate, and professional. After that, public administration. And after that, trade hotel 15.4. If they ask you in the examination, are in the following in the chronological order of their contribution to the service sector, subsector means you have to give this. You have to give this three. One by one. One, two, three. This is the chronology. If they ask you what is the overall share, 54.3. नॉट इम्पॉर्टेंट आप ये भी कर सकते कि इन पूरों में किसका ज्यादा फर्स्ट क्वार्टर में ये बहुत ज्यादा हुआ ट्रेड होटल्स एंड ट्रांसपोर्ट फर्स्ट लाइक अप्रैल मई जून इन दिस 3 months ट्रेड होटल्स एंड ट्रांसपोर्टेशन हैज इम्पैक्टेड सीवियरली एंड बहुत ज्यादा डिक्रीज हुआ इट डिक्रीज टू एनॉर्मसली ऑलमोस्ट 50% डिक्रीज हुआ लीस्ट -5.3 ऐसा बोल सकते हैं आप बट इतना तो डिटेल में नहीं आ गया ये बस याद रखो दैट इज मोर देन इनफ देन now if we see you are having agriculture industry service every state will have these three sector and every state let us consider Telangana I am living its GDP let us assume 100% okay agriculture का कुछ ना कुछ percentage होगा industry का service का right all of these will give 100% or not yes so service sector accounts for more than 50% of gross value added in 15 states okay means in 15 states service sector accounts 50% more to the state gross value added in 8 states it accounts for 60% and more so ever in Delhi and Chandigarh 80% above 85% above while Sikkim is the only state which is having least share of what service sector Sikkim may service sector contribute only 27.02%. Very very important data now let us do some MCQs. The states UTs whose service sector share contributes more than 80%. Delhi and Chandigarh, this one, right? More than 80%. More than 80%. Highest share of services over 85%, Chandigarh and Delhi. Okay. Which among the following state has lowest contribution of service sector to its GDP? We have seen Sikkim. Sikkim. Which among the following state has highest contribution of service sector to its GDP? This we have to see. The answer for this is Chandigarh. And which among the following main state has recorded highest average growth rate in the service sector during the last 5 years? It is Telangana. This we have to see. I will come to that. See, remember one point here they have written main state. South India, North India, Central India, Western India, Eastern India. These states are only called as main state. The northeastern states are not called as main states. Remember this point. Forever you have to remember this point. Okay. Now let us see service sector performance at state and UT level. So service sector share in GVA. Chandigarh highest. Chandigarh Union Territory is the highest, having the highest share of service sector 88, followed by Delhi. If we see the Union Territory, it is Andaman Nicobar. Very, very important. Very, very important. Okay. If they ask you this question, okay, here no, this question, if they ask you, which among the following state has low, if they ask you this question, which among the following state has highest contribution of service sector to its GDP? We know that Chandigarh. If they ask you which among the following Union Territory, it is means Andaman and Nicobar. Remember this point. Okay. Andaman 68, but Union Territory 88. It's also union territory only. Means all the union territories like if you see if you consider state it is Karnataka. It is Karnataka. Remember this point. State means Karnataka. I have considered that as union territory, but remember this point. State means Karnataka. And if they ask about union territory, it is Chandigarh. If they ask you directly which state or union territory means it is Chandigarh only. And here 5 years also given. 5 years means since last 5 years, which state is having the highest share of service sector? It is my state. I'm so happy for that. Okay, Telangana 10.25%. 10.25%. The answer for this is what? Telangana. So, which among the following main state has recorded highest average growth rate in the service sector during the last 5 years? That is Telangana. Okay, railways. Railways freight traffic is nothing but not passenger, you and me not. Okay, from railways, whatever the materials, whatever the paddy, whatever the food grains are moving from one place to another place, etc. Railway traffic nose dive means in maybe railway traffic kam hua means loading unloading sending of materials are also decreased. Nose dive means railway properly जा रहा था but because of pandemic decrease हो गया. Nose dive sharply decrease हो गया, like that you have to remember, minus 35.3%. Okay, Indian Railways loading was 118.13 million tons. Is just for a bullet point I have given you. Airways का क्या था? You know that. You did not go. I did not go anywhere. Indian Airways were totally halted. हम कुछ airlines खोले ही नहीं. हम कुछ airlines को बंद करके रखे. पूरे airports we have closed between March and May. Nothing was going on. डोमेस्टिक एयर पैसेंजर ट्रैफिक मैं तेलंगाना से उत्तराखंड नहीं गया, राजस्थान नहीं गया, कहीं पे भी नहीं गया. बट अगस्त से रिकवरी होगी बिकॉज अनलॉक पीरियड शुरू हो गया. दोस पीपल हु आर स्ट्रैंडेड दे केम बैक टू द नेटिव प्लेसेस टू फ्लाइट्स. द डोमेस्टिक एयर ट्रैफिक हाउएवर स्टैंड्स 50.93% लोअर इन नवंबर 2020 एज कंपेयर टू नवंबर 2019. चलो नवंबर 2019 में ओके 30 lakhs लोग आ गए. नवंबर 2020 में ओनली 15 lakhs गए. इवन दो अनलॉक शुरू हो गया मार्च अप्रैल मई जून अनलॉक पीरियड होके शुरू हो गया नवंबर में, बट स्टिल इवन दो अनलॉक पीरियड वाज टोटली कंप्लीटेड, बट स्टिल वी हैव सीन 50% लोअर in November 2020. Means if it is 30 lakhs 50 lakhs, it means people have taken pre precautions and they don't want to go, remember this point. तो ये तो वैसे ही impact हो गया even though unlock हुआ. Even I want to go to many places like Delhi, Uttarakhand, Rajasthan, but I am not able to go. Why? Because I am afraid कि फिर वहाँ पे बोलेंगे कि कोविड का सर्टिफिकेट लाओ ये लाओ. Who will do all that things, right? If you don't have, then you will be sent back. All that unnecessary stress, etc. So who wants to get all of that into thing, right? Lightly. बैंक क्रेडिट. बैंक क्रेडिट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. क्रेडिट इज समथिंग विच इज गिवन इन एडवांस. पहले आपको पैसे देते हैं, बाद में यू हैव टू पे इट. दैट इज कॉल्ड एज क्रेडिट. जस्ट लाइक अवर क्रेडिट कार्ड, फर्स्ट यू कैन यूज इट देन यू कैन रिपे. लोन इज ऑल्सो क्रेडिट. पहले आपको लोन देते, बाद में यू हैव टू रिपे. सो बैंक क्रेडिट. सो बैंक क्रेडिट तो अनलॉक पीरियड में बढ़ना ही है because both sare people have got unemployed and government also introduced Atmanirbhar Abhiyan. With this Atmanirbhar Abhiyan, government want to give what loans to small businessmen, chai wala, bandi wala, like that, pan wala, like that. So pandemic period में this bank credit was anyhow. किसी को तो खोलना दुकान देने दिए नहीं शॉप खोलने के लिए, सो क्रेडिट डिसबर्समेंट हुआ नहीं, लोन तो दिए नहीं. अनलॉक पीरियड में डेफिनेटली लोन्स आर टेकन बाय द पीपल. Loans are taken by the people. Credit growth to the service sector was stronger in 2020, increasing to 8.76%, which is very common. Pandemic के बाद में unlock period जब हुआ, credit growth होना ही था. Okay. So ये जो सब सेक्टर, टूरिज्म, होटल, रेस्टोरेंट, ट्रांसपोर्ट ऑपरेटर्स, यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा क्रेडिट लोन्स दिए गए हैं ये पूरे सेक्टर्स में. प्रोफेशनल सर्विसेज एंड शिपिंग ऑल्सो कॉन्ट्रैक्टेड. यहाँ पे कम हो गया 24.66%, 20.51%. तो ये जो बैंक क्रेडिट यहाँ पे ज़्यादा गया एंड बैंक क्रेडिट यहाँ पे बहुत कम गया, पहले से भी कम हो गया. आई होप दैट यू गॉट दिस लेक्चर. आई विल बी अपलोडिंग तेलंगाना related aspects today in the night. Okay, so there is a glitch of 7 days. I was not available with you all, but I hope that I will be continuously there with you. Thanks a lot. Keep watching my channel and do subscribe to my channel and share to everyone so that they will also get benefit of it. Bye bye. Take care.